got here? We got some cockatoos. A couple different cockatoos. I used to have one of each of them. Yeah, we got a parrot. Parrot up there. Got two cockatoos down here. What we got over here? Oh, here's a pretty one. Ooh, that is a really pretty one. I call him bright colors. Cage above, there's nothing up in that cage up there. So we'll have to go around to it. I don't know if he's coming all the way over here. He wants to get close to us. Because I want to see what you're doing. We're trying to see what you're doing too. Okay, you're a pretty one. Yes, you are. Very pretty. Gotta get the show here, huh? There, I'm gonna come back over here to these two. What are you guys doing now? Oh, you changed positions. One's up front, one's out back. Oh, look at me sideways now, huh? I see. Well, you're gonna turn your back on me, huh? Let's take a look at this one here. How much? $499. Thank you for posing.